So I got this jackhammer a couple of weeks ago. Somebody told me that it's useless, but it has proven itself otherwise different, because they say, the guy said, well, it wouldn't have any use, it would be bouncing off the wall, but that was not my experience with this. So this is what you get in box. So you get a brush, you get a PR brush with it, a manual. You get some grease, yeah, to keep that chuck grease up. And it got a little weight to it, yeah. It's kind of weighty. Feels like a real heavy duty machine. I get these bits with it. This is a chisel bit. As you can see, it has already been used. You got this. It's a tool to pull the grease area right here to replenish the grease reservoir. I got this other bit, pointed bit. I get 3 drill bits with it also, concrete. Spline bits, because it's a spline truck. So you got a pull back to insert the bit. Yeah, so the guy was saying like this will be bouncing off the wall, but that was not my experience. Actually, he did a very good job. So I never get to record that use, but we're gonna take it outside and I'm gonna break a stone with it, and then you tell me what you think. All right, thank you.